Hello everybody, today I will show you a plant haul. Yes, I did it again. I can't help it. Alright, so here I have a yellow anthurium. It's yellow. It looks white in the camera. I don't know why. And then I have here a ZZ plant, which I do have a small one which has grown and doubled a bit, but then I wanted more. And this one was on sale, so I said why not, and it's quite a nice bunch, so it's not a small one. And here I have calanchoa. It's kind of the rose style. It looks like tiny roses. And I bought another, well, I never bought one. It was a plant swap that I had from a friend that came over from one of my subscribers. And it's an oregano, which they were on sale, so I said why not, I'll pick one more since they're pretty good, right? And I got this plant, which I didn't have the name. I don't know if they're perennials, but I'm gonna try to grow it indoors. The flower turns into 2 different or 3 different colors, as you can see, and it smells amazing. That's this one. And then I have another one which is white flowers. I love white. Yeah, that's another one. And I have this gorgeous one here, which I don't know the name. Anyone can help me out on the names. I don't know what they are. I just fell in love with the color. See how beautiful it is? It's just gorgeous. I'm going to try to grow it. If it dies on me, oh, I'm going to be so sad. And I got this philodendron micans. Now there was some spots on it and the girl says it comes off. I wiped it off and it doesn't come off. But anyways, yeah, it looks beautiful still and it's growing healthy. It looks healthy. She said she was doing some kind of painting and she was washing something and it just got on them. And then we have the string of hearts. I got that one too. And then I got this beauty here, which I don't know the name. It's very long. The leaves have red color. It's beautiful. Look at that. It looks pink on the camera, but it's really bright red. Well, let's see how it goes. And then I got this other one, which is, I don't know the name, which I love the color. So I'm gonna try to put them all, 2 of them in one pot and see if they grow nicely on me. Looks beautiful, the color. And then I got an angel begonia, this one. The one I had, I don't know if it's the same one that the plant swap, I think it's still alive. It kind of is just stringy, just one stem. But this one has several stems, so I'll put them together in one pot if they're the same. And I got a string of buttons. It's really small. And I got an African violet. I know I shouldn't have gotten another one, but anyways, I like African violets. This Hoya, Perry, I forgot the name, but I'll write it down on the bottom. Yeah, I've always wanted one. I did not want to buy the leaf only. I searched in Facebook Market and, well, I managed to find somebody that's selling it. So let's see how it goes. I hope it grows big for me. She sent me instructions, which I have not read. And there's a little tiny tip there. I hope that's new growth. Lovely plant. The heart shapes of the leaf is so beautiful. I see a spot on my camera. Ah. And I got this anthurium. It's beautiful purple. The flower is different, but the leaves are the same as these ones that are like the red. You notice how different it is, right? It has like lines and it's bigger. And this one is different. Only the leaves are the same, but the flower is a bit different. It's smaller and you can see it's purple. Right now there's sunshine and you can see the color properly. Yes, my friends, so that's it. My small plant haul. I hope you enjoyed my little plant haul. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And hope to see you soon again. Happy planting. Bye.